Today in our 2018 Ram 1500, we'll be taking a look at and showing you how to install the Yakima Roof Rack System. The Yakima Roof Rack System is a great solution for carrying your vehicle accessories on your roof, whether those are bike racks, ski and snowboard carriers, or kayak carriers. They also pair well with your ladder racks. This is going to consist of the Yakima JetStream Crossbars, part number Y00427, the baseline towers, part number Y00146, and the fit kit, part number Y06135. Now keep in mind that our crossbars are also available in silver with part number Y00430. The aerodynamic shape of our crossbars is going to help to reduce wind noise and drag along with that weather strip on the inside. This can also be pushed down and we can add in channel mounted accessories, unlike some other roof racks where you'll actually have to remove your weather strip. The baseline tower of our Yakima crossbars does have the option to put in the same key system lock core. That's going to help prevent theft and tampering of your roof rack system as a whole. You'll also see our fit kit here. It's going to consist of our pads as well as our clamp. Those will be custom cut to fit our vehicle and have rubber padding on any portion that touches our vehicle to prevent any scratches or abrasions. The Yakima Roof Rack System has a 165-pound weight capacity, though you do want to double check your vehicle's owner's manual to make sure your roof can withstand that much weight. It's also going to come with a limited lifetime warranty and be quick and easy to install. We'll show you how to do that now. Now we already have our front crossbar installed. We're going to show you how to install the back bar. We've got half of it together. Everything on our table is what we will need to install our roof rack system. Here in the back, we're going to have our weather strip that goes underneath our crossbar. This can be cut down and placed in whenever we have our towers in place on the bar. We'll have our end caps for our towers as well as the other tower we're going to install. The pieces of our fit kit, both the clamp and the pad, our tool to tighten everything down, and we've provided our own flat tape measure. Then we have our adapter pieces that are going to connect our tower to our crossbar, as well as our crossbar end cap. To start off, we can take the pad and place it onto the bottom of our tower. We're just going to squeeze it until it clicks into place. Now at the top, we're going to place on our adapters. First, with plastic. That will click into place. Then for our metal, we're going to pull out on the gray door here. We can place the metal adapter in the center and flip our tower over. We're going to have two bolts. We're going to loosen the one closest to the front of our tower. When we loosen that, we can adjust it so that it connects to the metal bracket, and we can tighten it down until our bracket is flush at the top. Once that bracket is flush, we can place it onto our crossbar. Now we can slide this down on our crossbar until we're at the 46 1/4 inch mark on our bar. Once we have it in place, we can tighten down that bolt. Now would be the time to take our weather strip and cut it down and place it into the empty slots to prevent any wind noise or drag. Lastly, before we load this up onto our vehicle, we'll place on our crossbar end cap. We can start off now by taking our crossbar and we're going to place it on our roof. We'll now measure out our crossbar spread from the front of our front bar to the front of the back. That's going to be 32 inches. Again, we'll do the same thing to the other side. Next, we'll open up our vehicle doors. Then we can open up the gray door here. We'll take our clamp underneath and make sure it secures to our bolts here. Then we can tighten up the bolt at the top, and that's going to lower our clamp so that it sits just up against the door frame. Now we can do the same thing to the other side. Now we can tighten down our clamp by using our included tool and tightening down the bolt that it is attached to. We want to make sure we tighten this down evenly on each side. Once we hear the clicks, that's when we know we have enough torque behind our bolt. We're going to close up the plastic door. Then we can take the end cap and click it into place. Now we're ready to load up our accessories and hit the road. And that's going to be our completed look at the Yakima Roof Rack System on our 2018 Ram 1500.